Have a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. It's a beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Fastback, Rotisserie restored, 289, A-code, 4-speed, GT exhaust, super nice car, Rally Pac, just a great car. Red oxide floors, just absolutely stunning underneath. You'll see about 75 to 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Just a great, great car. Bullitt, 1966 Bullitt. Great paint, Flowmaster exhaust, trumpet tips. Just a great, great car. Attention to detail is just sick on this. Just a great car. Yeah. Everything. Absolutely amazing car. 2+2 with full down seat. A-code. Motor runs very strong. Disc brakes in the front. Super, super nice. Pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039. 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Be more than happy to answer your questions you have. If you can't make it yourself, send out an inspector. If you can make it, fly in. Forward to your itinerary. We'll pick you up at the airport, take you to one of our 3 warehouses full of classic cars, SUVs, trucks, muscle cars, convertibles. Take it for a test drive. We'll put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. But great financing options on these, usually 10% down. Great terms, great rates. Can hit almost anybody's budget or what their goal is per month, their payment. Ship anywhere in the world. Just do that as a courtesy service. Great body lines, just super nice paint. Great car. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. Fenton, Missouri. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. Again, we're in Fenton, Missouri, suburbs of St. Louis. Let's look at that back end. Sick. Sounds great. Runs great. Just a great car. Wow. Love this car. You might want to roll your window down. It's a little warm today. Not as bad as it's been, but still a little warm. Emergency brake on. Rotisserie restoration, all new suspension. Just a great, great running car. 66 Bullitt Mustang, 4-speed 80 code, 289, strong running motor. Rally Pac, GT trumpet exhaust, 4-speed, upgraded sound system. Can't go wrong with the 66 first gen Mustang Fastback. Again, www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to talk to somebody, my name's Mark, 314-346-6039. And we're in Fenton, Missouri, just out of St. Louis, about 25 minutes from the International Airport, Lambert International, St. Louis International, one in the same airport. You don't have to have cash, 100%, 10% cash, financing, credit. These can be yours and they're easily attainable. Thanks for watching.